Good afternoon, everyone. Hillbilly Jill here with North Texas Vegetable Gardening, canning, recipes, a little bit of everything. We're going to show you how to make our great fried wings. These are absolutely delicious. We have just about mastered the recipe, and so we're going to show you how to do it. First, you take 1 tablespoon of turmeric, 1 tablespoon of celery seed, 1 tablespoon of salt. We use our pink Himalayan, 1 tablespoon of paprika, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, and 1 teaspoon of cumin. It already smells really, really good. Next, we're going to take our chicken wings and we're going to sprinkle our seasoning over the top of them. Toss them. Sprinkle some more seasoning. Season them up real good now. We're going to cover and let them sit for about 30 minutes or a little bit longer in the fridge. Okay, they are ready. Now we're going to take some all-purpose flour and we're going to coat the wings. Toss them about, mix them to coat evenly. And then we're going to add a little bit more flour for the second time to make them really crispy. Next, we're going to put them in some vegetable oil and we're going to fry it medium-low for about 35 minutes, or you can use canola oil. It's up to you. They're already looking really, really good. Gently separate them as the wings fry. And when they start to float on top is when they're about ready. Look at these golden brown wings. Man, those are delicious looking. And then we put a little bit more salt. It's up to you as to whether you want. If you're going to add salt, do it when they're hot. Drain them a little bit and then put them into your serving dish. We like ours with blue cheese. They are really, really good. Thank you for watching. We do appreciate all of you guys. If you like this video, we ask that you click the like button and that you subscribe to our channel. Take care, God bless, and have a great weekend.